Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can find your Facebook friends on TikTok. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app. For that, you have a friends or you have friends on Facebook or connected TikTok with your Facebook friends or Facebook accounts. For that, we have to do is connect our account. So you can see over here I didn't connected my Facebook account. You can see over here connect with friends to view their post, connect with contacts, connect with Facebook friends. You have to simply click on the second option, and then you have to simply TikTok wants to use facebook.com to sign in. So simply click on continue and sign up your account over here, or sign in your account over here. So as you can see, I want to connect it with my name or my account over here. So as you can see, it's going to be connected. So as you can see, this is going to be connecting. So as you can see, your Facebook account friends are not on TikTok. So for that, if your friends are Facebook friends are on TikTok, you will see a bunch of options over here, or their IDs over here, so that you will add them and view their profile or view their contents that they are uploading on TikTok. And that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.